Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys, I'll be explaining to you guys pets and their abilities in Grow a Garden. So I'm going to obviously read it all because I'm not going to remember everything. So there's just a lot of pets, okay, in Grow a Garden, and this is what they do. So a bunny will eat a carrot and increase its selling value by 1.53 more when it ages. A dog tries to dig up a seed from your garden every minute. Golden Lap works like the dog but has a better shot at finding a seed. Starfish wanders in the garden and gains 6.36 XPs, making it grow older. Crab walks up to another player on the server every 6.12 minutes and pinches them to snag around 260 to 460 shekels. They don't lose any money though. Seagull gives you a free seed of the plant you just shoveled. Bagel Bunny works like a normal bunny, but it increases your carrot's value by 5 times. Black Bunny raises the price of carrots. Cat naps every few minutes, making nearby fruits grow bigger. Chicken increases egg hatch speed. Deer has a chance of making berry fruits stay on the plant. Bee goes to a random fruit and makes it pollinated. Shiba Inu finds a seed every minute. I'm going to butcher this. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Maneki Neko? Is that how you say it? I'm so sorry if I pronounce that incorrectly. Gives you an 8.15% chance to refund your sold fruits every 2.22 minutes. Let's see. There's Orange Tabby, a better version of the cat. Makes fruits larger as well. Ooh, zombified grape. Cool. Okay, so the chicken zombie, I forgot what it's called. The chicken. The zombie chicken, is that what it's called? Oh, hello, ostrich. Why are you? Yeah. The chicken zombie, you might get zombified fruit every 30 seconds. And it also speeds up the egg hatching thing. So let's go to grape. Whoops. As you can see, just zombified this grape. Okay, there's just a lot of more, like a lot pets than I imagined. So you can just Google that up. But apparently every pets have their own abilities for your plants, so keep that in mind. So yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.